Kani kadur Russian Meghalaya bat ngipdang sobhai pi baro syekutup kubor mentara janmit syaban paish kubor kubumnya ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Kajela kadon kinong sentiat kiba ai jungtip man lagasngi lo kajinglong jungman haki jaga kaput om shim kadon saki ban penti kena ba kadon kajing penki embiang ikan hun deno ong umin tilang ba kajela upon dak sangma Ther UMP Ketura Usaleng Sangmai Kesoka Jela Lo Kajingdang Kien Kieu Ki Kampen Triam Hagajela Ki EDC Ki Long Light Lui Lakin Pediang Nikentaj Ya Kajing Terwa Jong Kesoka Bangirap Pensiu Tulop Ya Kinong Play Jongki Pensyai Umin Tilang Bak Kajela Ontawi Ke Komiti Ban Kemi Lo Kajing Keduk Pisah Ki EDC Bat menjur ke kenhun ki menteri ban penkela ya kerukom terekam ke MPSC kenang ban pentikna ba kajing penrungkam kan long da ke bakul. Ki kubor ke bebenya. Menteri dang ba ke jela konrad ki sangmau laong ba ke jela Meghalaya ka yo ke kubor man la ke sngi na kinong sentiat aga be dei ba kajing wan rung jong ki brieu banabar na ke jaka kaput wa la ka don kajing ya kenat bat kari Bangladesh. Haba ajingkran hadian kajingelang bagi kenhun ki menteri Konrad ula pensyai baladep ban kemi banyak halor kajinglong jingman bat ong ba kamlong ka badai ban syukuran penkut ba kaladon kajing penki embiang ya ki kenhun pentriem nakaliang umintirang ba ula ong ba kamlong ka badai ban syu tharai klem datip syuai kajing shisha daga ba penpau ba kajing pahara hagi jaka kaput ka klain baha nadu usnem baladem.
This kind of activity here and there keep coming to us. Intel keeps coming to us. On the basis of this intel and information, to conclude that there's a regrouping is not correct at all. But we are not closing the chapter also because it could be. And I think DG was trying to say exactly that we have been getting inputs of this thing. And I guess the press that time just took that first part and did not talk the whole picture. So I'm giving you the whole picture. We get multiple intels every day. These multiple intels have to be verified. Till we don't verify it, we cannot conclude and say that it is regrouping. But is the information coming in? As I said, information comes every day. Now, situation has become more critical because of the situation in Bangladesh. And therefore, those situations are something that we have to continuously monitor.
Hakawai pat ke kubor nakaliang UMP Ketura Usaleng Sangma ulat hiating ke sorka Meghalaya halo kajing yo ke kubor magaladon kajing penrung dekot thamai de kenhun pentriem bat kenie kan sabuk jingma ya ke jela une UMP ulah kintu yo menteri rang ba du kadi Narendra Modi bat yo menteri ketnat ki kampo yeng ban tuklar kerki halo kani ke kam Usaleng ulah ongru ba don kam ban wanra iki kam penroi hakathan kum kajing penyar ke lentirel ha kemendi pathar kajing walam ya ke rel ki bawan na jengai bat kajing snapen bahai ke kat ling sun Baljek Airport ke badon Hajan Tura da ke ba kentha ya kajing telot trekam jong ke jela Usaleng ulah ong ba ka jingla ban penyeso ya ke than syaki weipat ki benta jong keri kan kentie we ke roi ke par ha ke than.
And even that Dakhites entering the state of Meghalaya and the militants started organizing in the state of Meghalaya. Okay, so government should be aware. Government should keep, some kind of a mechanism where they can track this illegal entry and exit. We should not keep on relying, with the center. Now, that's why I'm not asking to extend it till Jengjal or other parts of the Garhwals. But I just wanted that particular train in Mendipata itself to be expanded, take the expansions of the stations and the extensions of the train to go to any nook and corner of the India.
Menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad ki sangma mentagasngi ula pensyai baki laitali ki Autonomous District Council kata ke KHADC ke JHADC bat ke GHADC ki long light luat lakin pediang na kentaj ya kajing terwa jong ke sorkar ban pensiu tulop ya kinong tre kenang ban sautu benya ya kajing bakimat ke sorkar kala tauru ya ki laitali ki sub committee ki ban pej ya kini ki laitali ki District Council hakabakin saai ya ke kaipot jong ki hapo ke sabusan sengi Konrad sangma ula ongru bagasoka kala terwa bantung ya ki he officer kum ki principal secretary hamanla ki council ki banyarap halo kumnu ban pelat ya ketulop bat ban penkela ya kerukom penmi pisah ha ki council.
And hence it is important for the state government to support in whatever way possible to ensure that these institutions work in a proper manner and in an efficient manner. And hence our decision has been made that we will be forming 3 subcommittees. And these 3 subcommittees will engage in the next 45 days with all the 3 separately, of course. Each subcommittee for one district council will engage with the district councils. Now let me make it very clear. This is only an option. This is not something that is mandatory.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela ukon rat ki Sangmau la pentip ba ke kenhun ki menteri ke la priang ye kai pot jong ke MPSC Reforms Committee khnang ban kentiu ya ke jinglong khuoj ba ka jing yat bet ya renti ya ke rukom thungkam thungjam ke kenhun ki menteri ke la menjeru ban pendap ya ki Syihajar Sanspa teli ki kam beteli ling ba ki examine bat ki interview bat ban penrung ya ki nyospa prangut ki border wing home guard syaka SDRF.
The report of the MPSC Reforms Committee. As you're aware that we had put up a committee to look into the important reforms that can be done in MPSC to improve the overall efficiency, the overall productivity, and most importantly, the overall transparency.
Ka jing sedang ya ka Chief Ministers Youth Centers lani CMYC. Kalapan kaladur ya ka thain nong kendong jong ke Jela. Da ai jing hikai ya ki samla ha ka bedai bat ka sap ka phong bat ru ban plie ya ka lat ka lenti ban sengkam sengjam. Kani ka skim ka bala pelai pat ba haus nam ajar apuar da ka soka Meghalaya ringkat ka jing trelang bat ka Saura Mandala Foundation. Ka projek Defy bat ke India Ultimate ke lapan mentoi ia ki babun ki khun samla aga than nong kendong ha ka leng ke Jela aga ba ki lala ban penjanai la ka sap ka phong bat yeng ru hala ki jong ki kijat aga program ke badangshen umintirang ba ke Jela ukon rat sangma ulapun ku brom ya ki san phongut ki samla ki lala ban seng ya la ki kam la jong lingba ka jingyo jingrap lingba ka scheme nano grant program aga ba shi phongut na kini ki samla ki la yo priang ya ka grant kum ki nanopreneurs tat hadu kum ta ka CMYC kala ai jingkershan kum ba san hajar ngut ki nong seng kam la jong bat sam ru ik gran ka balong khat khandai point khat nyau lak tingka.
We talk of entrepreneurship. You know, we have urban entrepreneurship happening. We have rural entrepreneurship that's happening. We have entrepreneurship when it comes to SHGs that are performed. We have skill-based entrepreneurship. And we have nano entrepreneurs like the people who are engaged out here. So therefore, at multiple fronts, to ensure that entrepreneurship is not just limited to a large enterprise or a large business that's starting, that we forget the rural people. I think that is an incomplete picture. So,
MLA ke Mausan Ram uba Olan Singson ula penbena ba ka jingshnai ka Rain Museum beningkong du ha ka perthei ha ka shno Mausan Ram kan sa sedang no shen tang mariakut kini ka ayom liur. Ule thu ba ya ka tender ban IT ya ka jing pentrei la dep ban pelai pai ba bat ka jing bisha ki kot ki sla ka dang ya chakmat. Da ka jing thmu ban kring ye ki nong jung okai shakne ka jaka ka bajur slap tam ha ka perthei. Kani ka museum kan pen i ya ka jing riu spa jong ka mariang bat kiriti ki dostor ha ka Jela Meghalaya. Unia UMLA ula kren ru halo ka jinglong jingman jong ki surok agane ka than aga bawla ong ba ka jing pentrei ban penbahai ki surok kalaya chat bat kindang don shu ki skim bathamai na ka benta ban pentrei ya ki surok khnang bakan pensuk bat poi syakatei ke jaka.
The Rain Museum, the tender was allotted and the work was allotted and the amount is approximately 27 crores and it is once this infrastructure at the Rain Museum is completed, I think it is a source of attraction to many national and international tourists to flow to Mosram. I am hopeful that Mosram, since it is the wettest place on earth, forgetting about this year's less rainfall.
Sangut kinongelam ke Nyotrap Youth Council ki bakentup yo President uba Roy Kupar Sanrem, u Vice President uba Don Bok Lang Halingdo, u General Secretary uba Rembor G Saibon, u Secretary uba Isaac W Basaimoy, bad u Education Secretary uba Enlang Sawian, kila hap banwan mi hakmat u Judicial Magistrate First Class mentagasngi, hadien bekila syakot hajir halo ke jingjia haga South Torik u Yayong ha Nigrims. Kipulit kila penkre ia ka chart sheet persya yaki halo ka jingsya keno bakila berngem rung jubor bat syok brio hakabala pengat yaki hapok ka an baratia nagarik suraksha sanhita ahajar apulai ubak sanrem ulaong bagaseng kala yok pediang ka chart sheet bat kilong kibala penkre banyakun persya yaki jing keno daga bakmi lenti bakin yo yaki jing bishar ka bahok bat ka bakhoj.
But sadly, today we came to know after serving of the summon and we appeared before the Honorable Court. We came to know that an FIR was filed against us, and not only an FIR, even the charge sheet was filed by the police department in a period of 2 months. When the incident happened on the 4th of April, on the June of this month itself, the police has already filed the charge sheet against 5 leaders of HYC.
All KHASI Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Drivers Association kala pelong ia ka jingisong kalain mongor ha kandailat mentagasngi bandawa na ka sorkar ban penmi igi kendon ban perkingi kali tourist ki bana barjela ban kamai syaki jaka jungok kai perthai hapo ka jela da ka bakadau bakane ka long ka jingdawa jongki ka banon dedu usnam ahaja apulai ka sorkar kampat le AA hadu menta kumta ka association kala dawa badai ban penmi yaki kendon an knang bakan yadai ki kamai ka ji jongki traisnong bat kan kentiu ya ka yok kot ha ka jela
kwa ka jungi la ni ka jingdawa ka jungi na ka sorkar ban perking no ikeli ki bana bar ka jela ban rung tang ki tourist spot te la dei ka banta ka jungi bangin yo ban yalam miki nong jungo ki ba nong jungo ka ki bawan ka jela jungi dei ka kamram jungi ki trai jela trai muluk bangin yo ban yalam miki ndai ngimdan na kanono kanenti ka ban ong ban khang no ke mikna ba ko ban sha ikeli tourist ke kali bana bar jela ban rung ndai ka long bai nakalyang jungi ka all KHASI Meghalaya tourist station kumbang tangi don hani kumba life santli ki alson ki bawan snok tilang ngi ban Kristian ya kan ka move ko bangi di banyai kalau bai tang nam ta kata bangi ong ya ka sarkar perking no ikeli ki banwar ka jela bandung hapok terus pat tang katahi ai no engi ki trai jela bangi nyo banyalam kai engi ki nong jong kai bawan ka jela jung
Unong lam kaliang persya o Dr. Mukul Sangma ula lam khmat ya ka jingeki hayo pura khasya hakaba ula kentho ting e ya ka sarkar bakam shimla ban penbej ya ki jing e ha GHDC kinong khayi kila dawa badai ban pelat no mardor nong yakhi kila dawa badai ban pelat no mardor ya katulop ka badang sateng ka ba sap hulai benai ban pentrei kam ka Meghalaya State Finance Commission Act bat ban penbej yaki an reti duster jong ki garo usang ma ula keno baga soka kala le klet hakabe dai bakariti sensar khadar bagi kam pisa tingka ka bala pelong ya ka GHDC ban mat yakini ki jing e ka bala slam bah MLA ke Jowai uba wailat Miki Shela ula pelong ke jingelang bat ke District Road Safety Committee bat ke dobar pelun mukla ban yekren halo ke jingja accident badangshen halat mukla agani ke jingelang le yekren halo ke lat jingada beper ban penduna ke jingja accident ke bajujia naga por sekapor bat banjur ke jing donkam jong ke jinget trailang
แต่หาดินก็จริงจ้าก็ตู้นักเลี้ยงก็ยังงายอยู่หมดมันก็ยังงาก็จริงสยามขยะดอกกัดเตะว่าวัดกี่บรูกี่ว่าลายชุสุรอกแล้วมันเสพได้กี่ในใจดาวในเลี้ยงยังงาแต่ขุดเอาอย่างนี้ก็district road safety committee มั้งผู้แชร์เอา deputy commissioner ก็จริงอำลังยองกับ transport department เดี๋ยวมันจะกับ police department กับ health department กับ PWD บัดกำแต่เอาไงกี่แหละขนังวัวชินเคียกี่โยโถลาดอยู่กับเท้าโยคนชนะยากีฟุตปัดขนังในเป็นตากีไปบ้ากีขนาสกุลกีวลายลูตีในตุมันก็สนิมก็โยยต่อบนทางกีวลายลูตีในตุบัดกำโจเล่ดปีเล็กีว่าโบกีสปีดเบรกเกอร์กีว่าเคลมดักตายกับทราฟิกแต่ขนังเฮนรี่กับมินเซฟตี้
Kini kalong kajing penbena ba kawai ka kena ka badang katnyo senam kerta ka batip kerteng kum ka ribayahun marngar na kasnong permadan kala jak rengai na duk ka santrik unailar ki pulit ki suba ba kala syak rakbor hawai ubreu bala tip kerteng kum u tombor lang sokpo ubana ka snong umdum la register ejahar lo ka ni ka jingja hapo ka kendon an sis iway BR jongka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita ki pulit kila kerpat ya ki pajba balada ki don kenu ka jing pentip kin phone hau ni number nriu not kendai lai not pra kendai san kendai hakaba on buri kerteng ya ki ba ai jing pentip mentang ini pej ya ka jing long jing man ka sun beneng hatura ka jing khiat ka long khat nyau degree Celsius but ka jing shit ka long 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ga hau mentang ka sin ka long prapulai nak shispa bat ka jing hap slap ka long khat lai point lai millimeters aba pai pat chnong ba shlong ka jing khiat ka long khat nyau degree Celsius but ka jing shit ka long 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ga hau mentang ka sngi ka long prapukundai nak shispa bat ka jing hap slap ka long khat 4 point lai millimeters kat bah jawai pat ka jing khiat ka long khat nyau degree Celsius bat ka jing shit ka long 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ga hau mentang ka sngi ka long prapulai nak shispa bat ka jing hap slap ka long lai point 1 millimeters kalak bandon ka jing hap slap bat jing tiat upertat ka ba malu mala haba bon ki jaka hatura shlong bat jawai tadak tu gi khubong la point not shabakut juna ka thup jongi mentang ka jan miet ngin sia shamat pilasai ka sngi ha ka jo ka po ku be shiboni pi baro
होता है और टीन एज